Hello students, this is your Kumar sir. Today we are going to discuss sphere passing through the 4 points. Okay, let us discuss one problem. Find the equation of the sphere passing through the 4 points. That 4 points are given, that is 4 minus 1 2, 0 minus 2 3, 1 minus 1 minus 1, 1 minus 5 minus 1 and 2 0 1. Okay. How can you find the sphere equation which is passing through the 4 points? Let us discuss. Okay, let the given points are A, B, C, D I am taking, and let the required equation of the sphere be standard form of the sphere equation. That one is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2x plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d equal to 0. This is our required sphere equation, but we don't know the values of u, v, w and d. That values we need to find out. Okay. Here what is given? The given 4 points are passing through the sphere. Sphere means that is the equation number 1. So these 4 points are passing through this sphere means the 4 points satisfies this equation. No? Okay, since the given 4 points are passing through the equation number 1, substitute that 4 points in equation number 1. First of all, substitute point A. What is point A? 4 minus 1 2 in equation number 1. Then what you will get? This is x, this is y, z, x equal to 4, y equal to minus 1, z equal to 2. Substitute in equation number 1 because this point satisfy, this point is passing through equation number 1. Then x square is there. First of all, x square. X is 4, na? 4 square, 16. Y square, minus 1 square, plus 1. Z square, 2 square, that is 4. And 2ux, here x is 4, 2 4s are 8 into u, 8u. And plus 2vy, y is minus 1, y is minus 1, then 2v into minus 1 is minus 2v here. Next, 2wz, w value is 2, z value is 2, 2 to the 4 into w 4w plus d as it is equal to 0. Then 8u as it is minus 2v 4w and d keep as it is, and the constant 16 plus 1 17 plus 4 21 equal to 0. Take this one as equation number 2. Similarly, substitute b, c, d in equation number 1. You will get another 3 equations. By substituting A, we will get this equation, that one we are taking as equation number 2. By substituting B points in the sphere equation, in the required sphere equation, we will get this equation. Okay, by substituting B point, we are getting this one. Next, substitute C. C equal 1 minus 5 minus 1 in equation number 1, you will get this equation, fourth one. And next one, substitute d equal to 2 0 1 in the sphere equation, standard form the sphere equation, that is the equation number 1. Then what you will get? 4u plus 2w plus d plus 5 equal to 0. By substituting 4 points, by substituting a, b, c, d, we are getting 4 different equations that are having 4 different terms, that is u, v, w and d. We need to find out 4 unknown values, that is u, v, w and d. Okay, here we are having 4 equations, that is 2 3 4 5. Now by solving these 4 equations, we will get the 4 unknown values, that are u, v, w and d. First of all, solve equation number 2 and 3. Equation 2 and 3 solve, that is 2 minus 3. What is the equation number 2? 8u minus 2v plus 4w plus d plus 21 equal to 0. Minus third equation, 4v plus 6w plus d plus 13 equal to 0. We are subtracting 3 from 2. So I am changing the signs, minus in place of minus plus, place of minus in place of plus. We are taking minus, here minus, here minus. Then here d get cancelled. Then what will get? 8u and minus 2v plus 4v, that is plus 2v and plus 4w minus 6w minus 2w, 21 minus 13 plus 8. Here all the terms are having 2 is the common multiple. Okay, now all the terms 2 is the common multiple, so I am dividing this total equation with 2. Then what will get? 4u plus v minus w plus 4 equal to 0. Take this one as equation number 6. Next, solve equation 2 and 4. Solve equation 2 and 4, that is 2 minus 4. Subtract fourth equation from the second equation and cancel the constant, that is okay, cancel the d term. Okay, that is second equation is 8u minus 2v plus 4w plus d plus 21 equal to 0, and fourth equation is 2u minus 10v plus 2w plus d plus 27 equal to 0. We are subtracting fourth equation from 2, so change the signs, then minus here, plus minus minus minus, here d get cancelled, remaining are 8u minus 2v is, sorry, 8u minus 2u. This is the fourth equation now. What is the fourth one? 2u. 8 minus 2, you will get 6u now. Here 6u you will get, and here minus 2v plus 10v, you will get plus 8v, and here 4w minus 2w, you will get 4 minus 2 minus 4. Sorry, fourth one, second one is 4w, and the fourth one is minus 2w. Here it is minus 2w, you will get plus 4 plus 2, 6w, and 21 minus 27, you will get minus 6. After that one, all the terms having the 2 is a common multiple, so you will get here 3u plus 4v plus 3w minus 3 equal to 0. Take this one as equation number 7. Next, by solving second and fifth equation, you will get 8u minus 2v plus 4w plus d plus 21 equal to 0. So, and fifth equation is 4u plus 2w plus d plus 5 equal to 0. By changing the signs, you will get this one and cancel the d term. Then 8u minus 4u, that is 4u minus 2v, keep as it is, and here 4w minus 2w, that is 2w, 21 minus 5, that equals 16. All the terms having the 2 is the common multiple, so 2u minus 3 plus w plus 8 equal to 0. Take this one as equation number 8. Here, by solving second, third, fourth and fifth equation, by solving the 4 equations, we are getting 3 equations in terms of UVW. Here also UVW. Before 4 equations are with u, v, w and d. In the second, third, fourth, fifth equations are having the 4 terms u, v, w and d. By solving the 4 equations and cancel the d term, you will get another 3 equations in terms of u, v, w. Next, solve these 3 equations. Okay, solve these 3 equations and cancel any one of the term. That is, you can choose u or v or w. Then you will get 2 equations with 2 terms. Okay, after that, by solving the 2 equations, you will get one value. That value substitute in the above equations, you will get u, v, w and d values. After that, that 4 values substitute in the required equation of the sphere. That one we are taking. That is the equation number 1. You will get the sphere equation. Wait a minute. Okay, here we got 3 equations, 6th, 7th and 8th. Now solve equation number 6 and 7. That is, multiply equation number 6 with 4 and subtract 7th equation from the 6th. Okay, then what will get? 16u plus 4v minus 4w plus 16 equal to 0, and 3u plus 4v plus 3w minus 3 equal to 0. Change the signs, and here minus 4v plus 4v get cancelled. We'll get 16 minus 3, 13u, and minus 4w minus 3w, that is minus 7w, plus 14 plus 16 plus 3, 19 equal to 0. This is the 9th equation. Okay, next 6, 7 completed. Next, solve 7 and 8, or you can choose 6th and 8th. Okay, I'm taking 7th and 8th. Then 7 plus 8 into 4. Okay, 8th equation multiply with 4 and add to 7th equation. Then what will get? 3u plus 4v plus 3w minus 3 equal to 0, and 8th equation multiply by 4 now. Then what will get? Multiply by 4. Okay, 8th equation multiply by 4. Then what will get? 8u minus 4v plus 4w plus 32 equal to 0. Here 4v minus 4v get cancelled. 8 plus 3, 11u, and 4 plus 3, 7w, and 32 minus 3, that is 29 equal to 0. Take this one as equation number 10. Now Here we are having 9th equation, 10th equation in terms of u and w. Now solve these two equations and cancel any one of the term, you will get one value. Okay, now solve equation 9th and 10th, that is 9 plus 10. What is the 9th equation? 13u minus 7w plus 19 equal to 0, and 10th equation is 11u plus 7w plus 29 equal to 0. Here 7w get cancelled. Here remaining terms are 13u plus 11u, that is 24u. Here 19 plus 29, 48 equal to 0. Here 24u equal to minus 48. 24 ones are 24 twos are 48. You will get u equal to minus 2. We are getting one value. Okay, this u value substitute in 9th or 10th equation, you will get the w value. And substituting u equal to minus 2 in the 9th equation, then what you will get? 13 into minus 2 minus 7w plus 19 equal to 0. By simplifying this one, you will get w equal to minus 1. Okay, we got w value also. Now we are having u value and w value. Now substitute u and w values in the 7th equation. 7th equation or 6th equation or 8th equation, you can substitute. Okay, if you substitute u and v values in these three equations, you will get the same value, that is v value as 3. Okay, I am substituting u and w in this 7th equation. Then 3 into minus 2 plus 4v plus 3 into minus 1 minus 3 equal to 0. Then you will get minus 6 plus 4v minus 3 equal to 0. Here minus 3, sorry, here minus 3 produce of minus 6. This is the 7th equation now. 7th one, 3 into w is minus 1. Then v equal to minus 3 you will get. Here minus 3 minus 6 minus 12, that is 4v equal to 12 you will get. 4 ones are 4 threes are, v equal to 3. Here we are having u v w. We need to find out last value, that is d. Now substitute u v w in the 2nd, 3rd, 4th or the 5th equation, you will get the d value. Okay, I am substituting u v w in the 5th equation, you will get, that is 5th equation is this one. Now substitute u w values in this equation, you will get minus 8 minus 2 plus 8 minus 5 equal to 0. Then minus 8 minus 2 minus 10 plus 5 is minus 5. D minus 5 equal to 0 means d equal to 5. We got all the 4 values. Now substitute these 4 values in the standard form of the sphere equation, that is the equation number 1. That is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2x plus 2y plus 2wz plus d equal to 0. Then what you will get? X square plus y square plus z square as it is plus 2ux. U value is minus 2 now. U value is minus 2. 2 into minus 2 into x, that is minus 4x. Next 2vy. What is the v value? V value is 3. 2 3 is a 6 into y. And 2wz. What is the w value? W value is minus 1. 2 into minus 1 minus 2 into z minus 2z. Plus what is the d value? D equal to 5. So we get x square plus y square plus z square minus 4x plus 6y minus 2z plus 5 equal to 0 is the required sphere which is passing through the 4 points, 4 given points. I hope you understand this problem. If you have any doubt, ask me in the comment box. Thank you for watching this video.